Wonder is a beautiful thing. It tickles the brain and makes our senses come alive. We look into the future and think of what might happen, might be happening. Wonder is beautiful. Here are some people wondering about things, in case you were wondering what this video is about. I wonder why I'm here. I am a deep thinker. She is too. I wonder what Spider-Man will do next. What do you think he'll do? I wonder what he sees. A monster? A famous person? Even someone famous like Stevie Wonder wonders about things. I wonder what Wonder Woman is up to. Where is she going? Who will she save? She wonders why the dog is looking at her like that. I wonder who is going to win the Champions League this year. Manchester? I wonder what happened to the dinosaurs. How did they go extinct? I often wonder what former President Obama is doing these days. I hope he's doing fine. I wonder if she'll move her hand away. What do you think she'll do? I wonder how long William Shatner will live. He was a great actor. I often think of and wonder about my old girlfriend. I wonder if there is other life in the universe. Do aliens really exist? I wonder if it will still be raining this evening. I need to go for a run. What do you often wonder about? Let us know in the comments. Just wondering.